Are you addicted to other people's opinions? This question alone can bring you so much freedom and awareness to your own behavior. Because I know from the past that I used to be very addicted to other people's opinion and viewpoints if I was going to make a decision or if I was building something. But then you're always giving your unique creative influence away. You can of course ask people, and you can kind of take small bits and pieces from everyone's opinion. But at least for me, there came a time when I was like, what would I do? What would I choose to do just the way I am? And by asking myself this question, why am I even asking other people? Am I searching for approval, validation? Is that the reason why I'm asking? What's the purpose of the question? Why do I want to know the other people's opinion so much? And my conclusion was that I was trying to get quick success. I was trying to get money. I was trying to control things. So I wanted the validation from other people to see if I can get there quick. Well, it didn't work out. It may work out for some people, but my experience with this is like every time I've done things and built things that are just from my internal vision and action, I actually like it. But if I build something that is based on other people's opinions, it's not that fulfilling to me. And of course, I know that there's a lot of businesses and a lot of products and tools that you need to have the user experience, and you need to have all these opinions and viewpoints, perspectives. But especially if you create art, if you create videos, if you have some creative aspect, the more unique you can be, the better. Because if you try to fit in, you're always giving away something of your uniqueness. And that's why I speak on almost every video that you should listen to yourself. You should learn to find your style, your voice, your values, your tools, your vision. And then you go on a mission. Because when you do things for the internal satisfaction, it's gonna start overflowing. And then you can serve with your genius because you've found your genius from the inside. I don't say that you can't ask other people's opinions. It might be that it's a really good thing for you. The only thing I ask you is question yourself. Are you addicted to the opinions of others? What would happen if you trusted yourself, if you made the decisions without asking other people? I think both sides are great, and I think we need both. We need other people's opinions and perspectives in certain areas, but we also need to trust ourselves and let the internal guidance just be the lighthouse towards where we're going. That's what I try to do. We all have a unique DNA. We all have a unique purpose. We all have a unique genius. But if we look for the answers on the outside, we won't find it. The only way to find your true purpose is to go through your shadows, accept yourself, dig deep who you actually are, what kind of behaviors do you have in different situations, and then when you become aware of them, then you can start to really understand and paint the picture of what kind of person you are. And that's when things get fun. So the only purpose with this video is to open up the possibility to question yourself and how you behave with asking other people and looking for answers on the outside. What if you just trusted yourself? Try it out. Try out both. See how they compare. And then you learn to live with this internal power, because you have a huge amount of power inside of you, creative power. But so many of us have just given it away because that's what we're told to do. You should ask. You ask your mom, ask your dad. Ask yourself, how about that for a change? That's gonna be it for this video. My name is Mitz, your future purpose. See you in a future video.